Early life. Marilyn was born in 1926. She lived in foster homes before age 16. Modeling career. She worked in a factory during WWII. A photographer found her and started her modeling career. First films. She made comedy movies like As Young as You Feel. She became a popular star quickly. Scandal and fame. She posed for nude photos before fame. This made her very famous. Studio problems. She wanted more control. She founded her own film company in 1954. Tragic end. She died at 36 in 1962. Her death was ruled a probable suicide.
Founded. She founded her film company in 1954. Founded. Scandal. Her nude photos caused a scandal. Scandal. Foster. She lived in foster homes. Foster. Modeling. She started her modeling career. Modeling. Scandal. Her nude photos caused a scandal. Scandal.
Marilyn was born in 1926. She lived in foster homes before 16. During WWII, she worked in a factory. A photographer found her. She started modeling. She made comedy movies. She became famous. She posed for nude photos. This caused a scandal. She wanted more control. She founded her film company in 1954. She died at 36 in 1962. She was a top actress for 10 years. Her films made $200 million. She died in 1962. Her death was a probable suicide. She started as a factory worker. She became Hollywood's most famous star in 10 years. She was born in 1926. She lived in foster homes. She worked in a factory. She started modeling. She made comedy movies. She became famous.
In 1926, Marilyn Monroe MARR-ə-lin Monroe, born Norma Jeane Mortenson, June 1, 1926, August 4, 1962, was an American actress and model. In 2025, she was a top-billed actress for a decade, and her films grossed $200 million, equivalent to $2 billion in 2025, by her death in 1962. In 1951, after roles as a freelancer, she began a longer contract with Fox in 1951, becoming a popular actress with roles in several comedies, including As Young as You Feel and Monkey Business, and in the dramas Clash by Night and Don't Bother to Knock. In 1953, Monroe became one of the most marketable Hollywood stars in 1953. In 1954, she was briefly suspended in early 1954 for refusing a film project, but returned to star in The 7-Year Itch, 1955, one of the biggest box office successes of her career.
Listen carefully. When did Marilyn Monroe start her modeling career? She started her modeling career in 1942. Say this sentence with me. She started her modeling career in 1942. She started her modeling career in 1942. Say this sentence with me. She founded her film company in 1954. She founded her film company in 1954. Say this sentence with me. She died in 1962. She died in 1962. Say this sentence with me. She was born in 1926. She was born in 1926. Today you learned English through Marilyn Monroe's life story. Follow for more long-form English biography lessons.